Here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. In this video, I'm gonna be bashing the Arma Vorteks 3S BLX, my brand new car, at this skate park. Before we do, I'm gonna take it out in this field, and we'll be taking it on this lovely road and doing some speed runs. Drop a like and subscribe, and let's go. I am gonna be running on a Saipom 5200 milliamp hour 50C LiPo. That is what is gonna be powering this beast. All right, all plugged in, so I'm gonna power on the controller. You can hear it, and then power on the car. That means it is ready to go. Let's pop the body on and let's go. All right, we're gonna start out in the grass. Look at this thing go. We will go in the skate park, just not yet. It's not actually that impressive in the grass. Okay, I'm gonna bring it full throttle back. See how it does in grass. Like I said, it's not that impressive in grass. It's meant for more road and dirt. Here it comes. All right, this is full throttle. Yeah, not very impressive in grass. Let's get it on the road. I would like to give you a demonstration of ABC. I'm gonna turn it all the way up. Watch this. Look. You see that? That is crazy. So let's give it a test. I'm not gonna steer at all. I'm just gonna hit throttle. 3, 2, 1. You can see it went perfectly straight even though I wasn't steering. Now I'm gonna turn ABC off and do the exact same thing without steering. Let's see what happens. You can see it spins out and it just loses control very easily without that AVC. So I like to have AVC on maybe like 10% because it definitely helps keep this thing stable when you're going fast. And this thing goes fast. That was a full throttle pass. Bring it back. So stable. I will have a speedrun video with this coming soon. These Saipom LiPo batteries have a ridiculous ton of power. Watch this. That is wicked. Let's try this again. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this thing rips. I would say this is the best 3S BLX Arma has ever produced. Watch this, guys. I'm gonna do full throttle. Watch these tires. That is insane. Into the skate park we go. All right, I know this thing is brand new, but I have to try a backflip. Here we go. Ah! At least it didn't land on the body. That was kind of cool. This is the Traxxas Bandit, and then we also have the Arma Granite. Look at this, 3 RC beasts. All right, let's take it down the bowl. This thing is brand new, so I really want to try not to scratch the body, so I am gonna go easy on it. I got it like 2 days ago. Okay. Oh, easy. Let's bring it up. Let's get kind of a high jump. There goes the Bandit. Look at that. Comes the Granite. There's so many cars. All right, here we go. Oh, landed right on the wheelie bar. Off. Nice. Armas really take a beating. You need one in your collection. They're fantastic. Ooh, there goes the Granite. Okay. I got some air. Here it comes. Nice. All right. Down the bowl again. Okay, let's bring it through. Here we go. One ramp and then perfect. There goes the Granite. Here comes the Bandit. Let's see what this thing can do. Perfect. Guys, the Granite is broken. It sounds like a diff or a drive shaft is stripped out. Do you hear that click? Yeah. It must, so something's up with the diff. Yep, it's the diff. Oh, and there goes the body. Dang it. At least it has the roll protection on the top, so it's not that damaged. Here we go. Perfect landing. Perfect landing. Just give it a quick test because I did land on the wheelie bar. Man, this thing is durable. That's crazy. All right, so we need to leave here soon, so let's do some epic jumps before we go. Okay, here we go. Let's get it for some air. Yes. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to fit the high-speed pinion gear on this thing. It will be crazy. There goes the Bandit. Woo! Oh! Well guys, if you enjoyed this video of the Arma Vorteks 3S BLX at the skate park, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Go check out some of my other content, and as always guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell.